Hey everybody, today I am installing the Ringke cover display Easy Slide tempered glass on my new Z Fold 7 cover screen. This is a really nice screen protector by Ringke, and it comes as a 2-pack, so if you mess up the first time, you can try again. On the back of the box are the instructions on how to install it. They tell you to read all the instructions before installation. And there is also a QR code right here. And on this, right on the bottom there's a QR code that you can scan, and it'll bring you right to Ringke's website and the installation video guide on how to do it. So let's get into the packaging and see what is included. You have 2 cleaning kits, and in each cleaning kit you have a microcloth, cleaning alcohol wipe, some dust stickers to remove dust, and a squeegee card. And then you have 1 installation tray and 2 screen protectors. Before installing the screen protector, I do suggest you turn off your phone so you don't accidentally push anything and you can see what you are doing easier. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is power off your device so that you don't accidentally touch any buttons. And then you go ahead and just take your wet wipe, the alcohol swab, and you wipe off the screen of the phone, like so. Take your microfiber cloth and go ahead and wipe that off and dry it so it's nice and clean and dry. And then you take your dust remover sticker and make sure you get all the little dust off, all the edges. I always go through and do a second one just to make sure. And then you just push this down, and it says to push on the sides, like so. And make sure the top is at the top of the phone. And sometimes you'll hear a little click. Go ahead and pull the tab, and you'll see it start to adhere right to the phone. And then you just pop it up nice and slowly. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but there is a small bubble right there. So I always just take it off the edges and just push that bubble right out. If you see any tiny bubbles, they will work themselves out and disappear shortly. And there will be space along the edge of the screen protector on both sides, on the bottom and on the top. And that is so that whatever case you use will fit nicely on the edge and not bother the screen protector, and there won't be any lifting. You can then put your case on and turn your phone back on, and voila, all done. In my opinion, I think it's a really nice, quick and easy screen protector put on. It installed really nice, and it protects the expensive screen perfectly. I will include the link below on where you can purchase the screen protector, and I'll also include a link for the case I use on my Z Fold, which is also made by Ringke. Feel free to comment below with any questions and subscribe for more videos on the Z Fold 7 and other fun tech videos I make. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.